So Amazing Oriental is an Asian supermarket chain with 24 shops in the Netherlands. We're the biggest in the Netherlands. And in every shop, we have our own restaurant or food corner. And in this restaurant, we have a production kitchen that produces our own papao, our own Indonesian snacks, roast duck and roast meat from Chinese cuisine, and also a lot of Indonesian meat assortment. When we started, we have no production. We have no system as well. We don't have any recipe. So it started in April 2019 when we are looking for a solution in solving our logistic problem. In trying to solve our logistic problem, we have to search for a logistics warehouse management system. And with that, we need an ERP system. But we don't have an ERP system. So we start our search and we came across SAP Business One with Logres as the implementation partner. Logres has looked into our issues, looked at our challenges, and they've introduced CompuTec ProcessForce to us. And that is very suitable for our production facility because it's not just bringing boxes in from Asia and selling it as a bottle out. It's more than just a retail supermarket. It's a production functionality that we require. So ProcessForce is what we are using for Amazing Daily Cuisine, which is our central kitchen that produces a number of food that we have introduced in our restaurants, as you see that the customer is coming in and also selling in our supermarket. PDC is focused on the production. What we do is we use add-on that is from SAP ProcessForce to create our manufacturing order. Our manufacturing order will include our semi-finished product, which is what we need to produce for the filling for our different snacks, or the sauce that we use to produce our different finished product. From the moment that the manufacturing order is created, it's sent through PDC into the ingredient preparation section. When they start preparing all the different ingredients, that is by manufacturing order delivered to the cooks that is going to produce, of course, according to the recipe that we have put into the PDC. And PDC, of course, ProcessForce also will look into our resources, all the machine that we have, and all the way to our packing section where we actually start packing into our finished product. And then from there, we were going to ship it out to our customer according to the order that coming in to as well SAP Business One. So everything is integrated, everything is actually very seamlessly from the moment that the order is being placed by the customer. Either we make to order or we make to stock, and everything is consolidated in ProcessForce using PDC, knowing how big a batch we have to create a day, so that we don't have to create small little batches. We just cook one big portion that we can actually split to the different order in the end. So either selling in the deep freeze finished product or actually fresh product that is being sent to our customer. Oriental is not just a retail supermarket, but we are also one of the biggest exporters to Europe. So all these are all being connected with SAP, because we're not only using SAP for bringing the order into our distribution center, but we're also using it for our production, for the food, for the snacks, for the end product that we want to produce for our customer. We are ready as well also to sell to external customer, and all this is being connected with SAP, with ProcessForce, and as well on the logistic part with our own WMS for our big distribution center. This is quite unique because it's not just for one entity, but it's also a production entity, but also an entity that is responsible for the export to the whole of Europe. And all these are being connected within SAP as the red thread that makes sure that order that is coming in are being going to production, finished product, delivered to our customer. A customer actually confirm the order, they get the delivery, it's actually going back to SAP, and actually we can then invoice to our SAP. So there's no repetitive of entering an order again and again from SAP onward to ProcessForce, back to our customer as our shop and back to invoicing. So everything is actually quite seamless and connected. So saving a lot of work, say administratively, because once one entity actually receive, it's automatically already in the other entity saying that, hey, one sales order become the purchase order for the other one. So it's quite easy in that sense.
So besides our products sold in the food corner in a restaurant, we also sell them directly to our end consumers through our supermarket. So here you can see our products, for example, in a menu, which is like with noodles, rice, and a combination of vegetables and meat. But we also have our Indonesian snacks over there. And since we're selling directly to our end consumers, like factors like batch, allergies, ingredients are becoming more and more important, and that's where PDC and SAP really helped us facilitate that, so we can register all our movements within our production and register exactly what we use within our products.